Hi, to add dual clock widget on lock screen of your iPhone 16e, first thing you need to do is to press and hold your current lock screen to edit it. Now unlock it with the help of your passcode of Face ID and tap Customize. Then of course choose your lock screen, and if you want to you can disable depth effect because we need to set widgets. So I'm gonna click here, remove my current widgets. And now to add dual clock, we need to scroll a bit down, choose clock option, swipe left and select City Digital. So here you can either pick two widgets like that, or you can select one small widget, one big, or we can add two big ones, it doesn't matter. And to edit it, we need to hold it. So hold it and choose city. For example, as a first one, we can pick Dublin. And as a second one, we can pick, for example, Barcelona. So let's just find it and select. And now we got dual clock right here. So if you're satisfied with changes, just tap done and this is the result. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.